Across Bukidnon State University Talisayan campus, many students balance both studies and work. Some are breadwinners, some are part-time workers, and others are served in our local government offices in Talisayan and Balingwan. For them, time is a daily change.
Usahay, gikan og trabaho, kapoy kaayo, pero nidya pa na ko magsulod sa eskwela kay para makatuon. Dili mo sa nako pwede biyan akong trabaho kay nidya pa na ko ang kwarta.
May mga event sa munisipyo, usahay, malit ko, usahay, kapsin, then kung sa trabaho lang, mag-isip ko nga magdungan din ako akong pag-eskwela o trabaho kay diligid malikayan nga nga kailangan ko magalingon nga trabaho ko eskwela.
Ako nang isaligan sa akong pamilya. Mao bitaw nang kailangan ako magtrabaho pero tungod sa schedule sa klase dili ko makapasa sa mga requirements.
For students who work during the day, having night classes is not a luxury. It's a lifeline. It provides flexibility, reduces stress, and helps them stay committed to both their education and livelihood.
Actually, daghan kayo work student diri sa Bugso, pero much better kung naay night class kay mas ma-manage man ang among time.
Kapon yung kagan mga
Night class options can help working students in three ways. First, flexibility. They can work during the day and study at night. Second, better academic performance. Students have more time and energy to complete requirements. Third, reduce stress. No need to choose between income and education.
Nanghinaot mi nga tagaan mig chance nga naay night class kay mas dako ni katabang sa among mga working student.
mas motivated ang pag-eskwela na kung flexible ang schedule.
Dili mi mapugos og pili trabaho pa sa eskwela.
Bukso Talisayan Campus is home to many hardworking, determined, and resilient working students. Providing night class options is not just an academic adjustment. It's an act of support, understanding, and empowerment. It allows every student to continue dreaming, learning, and working toward a better future.